It's a video?
Yeah, we are in the office here today. We have a visitor here tonight from Indonesia. Jakarta, I mean. So you, Anna, come from Indonesia. She has a lot of, you have clients from Indonesia looking to buy home in Australia, in US, Los Angeles. Mainly people who have kids go to school, right? They go to school in in LA, and they're looking to buy homes here. And Freeman here, Freeman has a lot of buyers in China, right? Mainly looking to buy homes. Can you quickly, Freeman? So because this is the wall is flat, right? The wall is flat. When I talk about the wall is flat, is this? So part of our team at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty is that we are part of this relocation network. So relocation network, Freeman, is people like Anna here from Jakarta, from Indonesia, right? Singapore, who have buyers looking to buy homes here in LA. The reason they're buying here, mainly students. Can you share more about what kind of people that typically buying homes here in LA, Freeman, from China? And you, Anna, what kind of buyers typically looking to buy homes here in LA?
Basically, people who buy property in LA, they are sending their children to study in US.
They're studying in US and also Singapore. Like, how come you sound like Singaporean?
No, I have a lot of Singaporean friends.
Yeah. Okay. So you and your company also, your company is mainly in Indonesia and Australia.
No, yeah.
And you have a lot of buyers. So can you share what's going on in Asia now? Why there's so many buyers moving in here? Like what's going on? Why people are moving to US? Like what kind of people that you are encountering?
Basically, they're moving here because their children are here.
Because of children come here. And you said because before they came here, they go to school themselves. Yeah. Now their kids, they send the kids.
They send their kid again to here because they used to study here.
A lot, and like you said just now, you're looking for homes in Fullerton. A lot of people go to Santa Monica College, UCLA, USC, LMU. So there's a lot of those like that. Right here at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, we have a whole department relocation, helping foreign buyers moving here. Well, what about you, Freeman? What kind of buyers typically move here from mainland China?
Yeah, because most of them because Chinese people like to invest. Regardless, sometimes I ask them buyers that what's your hobby? They like buying houses. So
their hobby is buying houses.
Yep. So they really like to do the investments either for insurance, financing stuff, products, and real estate. So this kind of their hobbies. They're competing. Okay, if you buy like a $1 million home, then they're probably gonna buy like a $1.5 million home nearby you, something like that.
Yeah.
A lot of people like that.
And that's Miss Sunny Wong. I'm not sure if she's hiding or she's busy doing something. Is she hi? Yeah.
Hi.
So you have a new listing coming up in Los Angeles. Where is it?
Pasadena.
Yes. Can you describe more about who do you think buy a $5 million home in Pasadena? Maybe we bring it from Indonesia, from Australia, from China here, right?
For the rich mans came here to buy.
So Sunny here, mainly you do. What do you mainly do, Sunny?
What?
What do you typically? What do you specialize on? Typically, what kind of clients you working on?
For $1 million, people always buy the million house, nice school district.
Yeah, $2-3 million
Yeah,
home.
$2-3 million, and most people they have kids, and then if they need a good school district and nice areas, so that's why they want to came America to buy the house.
Yeah, man. That's Sunny here. Stop by at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty at any time. A luxury home specialist, then.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kev. And so are we on? So tomorrow you're gonna be. Let's come inside here.
Yeah.
So tomorrow you're gonna be meeting with
Linda
for the whole day. We're gonna working with homes, including we're gonna show you. You're looking for homes in Fullerton, near colleges, community colleges, right? There's a lot of. I've been working with the group here in Indonesia for the past 10 years. Same thing from our group, investors group buyers from China for the past 10 years. In fact, Freeman is gonna go to China next. He go to China at least 3 times a year.
3 times a year.
Yes, and you somebody recommend you to come here, Lika?
Yeah,
Yeah,
from
she came here
Surabaya,
last year.
Remax Eagle.
Yes, last year she was
Hopefully
here.
she see this video.
Make sure she watch this video, right? So tomorrow you're gonna be the whole day with Linda. Linda mainly work with our foreign buyers, so she's gonna make sure you are familiar with what's going on here.
Yeah.
All right. So
All right.
Right now, we have about 55,000 buyers here in our database looking to buy homes in the area. So every day, constantly here at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, we have visitors, people like Anna here, right, from different places. We from South America. We also have a lot of big buyers from South America, China for sure, Hong Kong, Indonesia, your group, right? You, Lika, and those those guys come here at least once a year.
Once a year.
Yeah, so we have a lot of buyers from all over the world that's looking to buy homes here in the area. The recently analysis, when the owner of the house, when they hire our team to get their home sold, is because we already have the buyers. In my database now, I have about 55,000 buyers who's looking to buy homes here in the area. And the buyers come from people like Anna here. So over the 10 years, we accumulate over 55,000 buyers who's looking to buy homes here in the area. The traditional agent, Anna, is that when the owner of the house thinking of selling their home, they put a for sale sign, looking for buyers. For us, we did a quick tour today here in the office. You can see we have our marketing team, we have our admin staff. So our marketing team, every month, we generate about 2,000 buyers who's looking to buy homes here in the area.
Wow.
And one of them is from our international relocation network, which is in over 100 countries. Like you come from Indonesia,
Yeah.
right? And you do a lot of business in Australia too?
Yeah, I'm selling a property from Sydney, Melbourne, Perth to Indonesian market.
How you have so many, like how does it work? So people in Indonesia, they're buying in...
There are many Indonesian people all over the place, so I'm partnering with one of Indonesian people who been in Sydney, start like 1986, and they start to build some property, apartment homes there.
So your buyers is Indonesia, they're buying in Sydney?
Yeah, but they're buying in Sydney.
And where else?
Sydney, Melbourne, the
Sydney,
favorite
Melbourne.
place where the student goes for study.
Basically, wherever their parents used to go to school before. Right?
Yeah.
So when they used to go to Australia, then now they're sending the kids Australia. When they used to go to school in LA, now they're looking to buy homes in LA.
Yeah, because they're sending the children back here.
Yep. All right. So we're gonna have so today, you see how the team works, and then tomorrow, Linda is gonna be with you the whole day to make sure you are familiar. Show you some deals today. We look at some deals here in Fullerton. About how much is that? The homes in Fullerton?
About 800 to 950.
800, 950. We're also looking at some deals like $1.4 million, 12 units apartment,
Wow.
right? Just now when you see
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
12 units, how much?
1.8.
1.8 million. And what's the income? You remember?
It's about 2,000 per month.
2,000 per month per unit.
Per
So
unit.
2,000 times 12, that's 24,000 a month. Times, what is 24,000 times 12?
24.
Yeah, so almost 500,000 a year. So so not only, so your people are not only looking for like single family homes. They are not only just buying a single family home. They're also looking for apartment building, income producing assets, basically, right? So that's what you and Linda is gonna be focusing on the whole day tomorrow. So I just want to do a quick video, make sure everybody knows that we have our special guest here today.
Thanks.
From Indonesia.